Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going today? I have these actual, you'd call it tire tags, but these are wheel tags. Just looking at it here, it's gonna fit right on the wheel. Now I'll get a little bit of more light before I get started here. But basically I'm gonna put it on the actual spoke that's opposite of the valve stem. Kind of how the T37s are as well. It's going to go on this spoke here. Now I did clean it with a little bit of alcohol to make sure that the surface was all prepped before I applied it. And I have done one spoke already. It turned out pretty good. And this actual stuff, it's not like a sticker, it's kind of like an overlay decal type thing. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's not super sticky, but it does adhere very strong. So it's that easy. That's pretty much it. Now I am going to use a hair dryer. I thought about using a heat gun, but I am going to do a hair dryer and just kind of push it all around. I don't know if you can see really close, but kind of like right here there's a little bit of a air pocket. So once I put the heat on it, it should seat really smooth on there. But overall I kind of like the look of the spoke having just kind of the labeling of what the actual wheel is. These are pretty cool indentions on here, but they don't stand out too much, so wanted something that kind of pops. Overall, this is pretty cool mod here, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.